Hey, I'm Sam Fields from Matter Solutions. You're here to learn more about Google Ads, and I'm here to help you understand it better so that you get more people through to your store and people to your site. So let's break it down nice and simple. We all know Google, we all know you can search on it, and we all know that for the most part, Google will have the answers. Google Ads is Google's platform that allows advertisers to promote their products across the Google Search Network, the Google Display Network, and YouTube. For today, we'll focus on Google Search Ads as it's the primary element on the Google Ads system. To make things easier to understand, we're going to talk about Bob. Meet Bob. Bob was a plumber, but he figured out he loved flowers, so he decided to open a florist, and he wanted to do that in Brisbane. So he wanted to figure out how he could get in front of more people on Google. In essence, Google Ads Search Network allows you to show up at the top of the Google search results when someone asks a question. So let's say someone's looking up florist in Brisbane, Bob's ad can show up the top of the page, and the good thing is that he's only going to pay for that ad if you click on that result. And this is why Google Ads is considered a cost per click or pay per click system. How does it work? Well, look, Google Ads is basically an auction-based system where you tell Google the maximum amount you would like to pay as a cost per click for each of your keywords. So when a person types something into Google, that's known as a search term, and that search term will trigger a keyword, and that keyword that you've bid on will allow Google to put you into the auction to be at the top of that page. Here's the thing, Google wants the best experience for the person searching so that that person comes back to Google again and again. And the way they do that is they give what is known as a quality score to your keyword. We've done a whole video on quality score and it's pretty damn good. Check out the information in the links below. But essentially, quality score is a score out of 10 that is representative of how relevant your ad is to the person who is searching. The better your relevance, the higher your quality score, the better your ad rank, and all of this results in a lower cost per click. This means that your ads need to be highly relevant and specifically targeted in order for you to be showing to the right people. For example, Bob doesn't deliver to certain suburbs on weekends, and due to let's say an incident at the Botanical Gardens, he no longer deals with white tulips. There are many ways that Google will allow Bob to make his ad more relevant to his customers. So Bob can target his ads by geographical locations, so only in the areas that Bob wants to deliver. Bob realised that not many people seem to buy on Sundays, so he doesn't show his ads on Sundays. And another thing that Bob does to make sure that his ads are extremely relevant is put in a negative keyword of white tulips. Once employed, a negative keyword will make sure that if that is in the search term, then your ad will not show, therefore saving you money and saving Bob from dealing with those white tulips. So now you and Bob both have some really solid understanding of what Google Ads is, but there's a lot more depth to Google Ads, and over the next few weeks, what we're going to do is we're going to go through my core theory and the 3-tier refinement method. I'm going to show you how to succeed using Google Ads. Comment below if you've got any questions. I'm really keen to find out what your thoughts are in regards to what Bob did to those tulips. Like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.